Hello everybody. Now the question we are taking in figure is already given. ABC is a triangle, right angle at B, and there is a point D and E. D and E are the point which are going to trisect this BC. Trisect means they are dividing in equal parts, this one. And we want to prove that 8AE square means 8 times of this AE square is equal to 3 times of AC plus 5 times of AD square. See, so this D and E points are going to trisect this BC. So for the own convenience, you can assume this is, let's suppose X, this is also X and X because they are equal. For the own convenience, you can take X axis here. Now you want to prove this one. Proof is here. The important point is here, you are supposed to keep your eyes here. You want AE, you want AC, you want AD. So first you are supposed to take the AEs there. So for the AE, we are supposed to take in triangle ABE. हमको क्या AE चाहिए, तो we are supposed to take in triangle ABE, so we can apply the Pythagoras. So just take in triangle ABE by the Pythagoras. AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. This is, you can say, by Pythagoras theorem. See, for the own convenience, we can write down AE square is equal to AB square, keep as it is, plus in place of this BE is X plus X, that is 2X. So in place of this one, you can write down 2X whole square. So you will get AB square plus 4X square. This is your equation 1. This is the ways there. You are supposed to take the X and X is here only. So easily you can solve it, this one. So A square is equal to AB square plus B. B is, that is 2X whole square you can do. Now AC. So for the AC you are supposed to take in triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is also by the Pythagoras. But in place of BC, you are supposed to write down X plus X plus X. Because we are writing in terms of X is the AB square plus this is 3X whole square. So you will get AB square plus 9X square. This is your equation 2. Keep your eyes here. Now you need AD square. For AD square, you are supposed to take in triangle ADB. Now in triangle ADB, that is AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. But this is by the Pythagoras, AB square plus BD square, but it can be written as AB square plus BD is what? X square. This is your equation 3. See, now you need 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Now you can take this side only, or either you can take this one. So I am taking this right hand side. Now 3AC square plus 5AD square I am taking, and it should come equal to the 8 times of AE. Now you have to put the value of AC square is here. So this is 3 and AC square is what? That is AB square plus 9X square. This is the way is there. Similarly, you can put the value of AD square, this value here only. So this is 5 AD is AB square plus X square. So this is equal to 3 AB square plus 3 9 27X square plus 5 AB square plus 5X square. Simply because keep your eyes here. Now you want 8 times of AE. Means what exactly want? We want 8 times of this one. We want 8 times of this one. So we can write down 8AE square. So this is equal to 3AB and 5. That is 8AB square plus 27 and 5, 32X square. So from here you can take out the 8 is common. So 8, that is AB square plus 4X square. And what is this? AB square plus 4X square is equal to AE square. So in place of this one, you can write down AE square. So this is equal to 8 AE square, and this is your proof. The most important point is here, you are supposed to take, here is the BD is X, ED is X, CE is X is there only. So easily you can do that. Have a look. Yes. Now another question is, there is a triangle BAC. This is the triangle is given. In this triangle, angle B is given 135 degree. We are supposed to prove that this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 4 times of area of triangle ABC. We want to prove that 4 times of area of triangle ABC, this one. So information is given, this triangle BAC, angle B is 135, we want to prove this one. So here you require the construction. You need a construction. Now there is a question is, how come to know? We are supposed to do the construction because we want to know the area. We want area, and area cannot be calculated until and unless there is a perpendicular. It's not perpendicular. So what we will do, we are supposed to draw the perpendicular from here. You can give the name like this is point D. So I am going to draw the perpendicular AD on BC. We are going to extend this CV on this side, so this is the perpendicular there. See, this angle is 135. So what about this one? This angle will be equal to 45. So in proof, see, this angle ACB, ABD will be equal to 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45 degree. And this is already given 90. This is already given 90. And sum of these three angles will be equal to 180. So this is 90, 45. So it means this angle is also 45 degree. So you can say here is the angle DAB is also 45 degree, and that is equal to the angle ABD. And this is equal to this one. Then you can say this side BD is equal to, therefore you can say AD is equal to BD. Already you know equal angles, opposite sides are equal. This is already we know that. But this is the important point is here only. You are supposed to calculate this angle first. This is 90, this is 45, so this side will be equal to this one. Now easily you can. See, now you want AC square is equal to, so keep your eyes here, you need AC square. So you must think about the AC square first. To take the AC square, you are supposed to take in triangle ADC. So just take in triangle ADC. Keep your eyes here. Keep your eyes here. What exactly we want? हमको क्या चाहिए? What exactly we want? According to that, you are supposed to take the triangle. So here is, you can say AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, and this is by Pythagoras theorem. Now this can be written as AC square is equal to AD square, keep as it is, plus this DC. This DC can be written as this DB plus BC, DB plus BC whole square in place of this DC. Now you can expand this is A plus B whole square. So what you will get? You will get AD square plus DB square plus BC square plus 2 into DB into BC. We are going to apply A plus B whole square, this one. But in place of this AD square plus DB square, look at here. AD square plus DB square, that can be written as AB square. So this is equal to AB square plus this is BC square, keep as it is, plus 2 BD into BC. So finally you are getting this one. But what we want? We want AB square plus BC square is already you are getting, but we want in place of this one is 4 times of this one. So now what we will do, you are supposed to calculate the area of this triangle ABC. So what will be the area of triangle? That will be equal to 1 over 2 into base BC into your perpendicular will be AD. Perpendicular is AD. So area of triangle ABC is equal to base BC, because we are finding the area of triangle ABC. So BC into perpendicular is AD. But this AD is already equal to BD. So in place of this one you can add what? 1 by 2 into BC into BD. Reason is AD is equal to BD. Now the value of BC into BD you can calculate from here only. So look at here now. I'm going to rub this one. So from here only, from here you can write down BC into BD is equal to 2 will be multiplied here twice of area of triangle ABC. You can get the number. You can get the number 1 is here. This is your 1 and this is your equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 equation, from the equation 1 and 2, you can put the value of this, value of this one is here only. So what you will get? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2 into BD into DC, BD into BC is equal to this one. So 2 area of triangle ABC. So therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 4 times of area of triangle ABC, which you want to prove. Look at here. Okay, one more problem. Question is, there is a point D on the side BC of this triangle ABC. There is a point D is here only. And the information is given, this triangle ABC is an equilateral. ABC is an equilateral triangle means, then all the sides are equal. AB is equal to AC is equal to BC, all are equal. You can say AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. This is already given. All the sides are equal. And D is a point. And this CD is the 1 over 3, 1 over 4 times of the BC. This CD is the 1/4 of BC is there only. We are supposed to prove that AD square is equal to 13 times of CD square. So look at here now. First of all, see, we have given, just you can, in a construction you need a construction is here. Construction is required. We are going to draw the perpendicular AM on BC. So this is an equilateral triangle. So AM is, you are going to draw the perpendicular. So it will divide this BC into 2 equal parts. That is, you can say BM will be equal to MC will be equal to half of BC, because all the sides are equal. So this perpendicular will divide this opposite side into 2 equal parts. BM will be equal to CM, that will be half of the BC. See now proof. So first of all, we are given, then DC is equal to 1 over 4 BC. Means this DC is the 1/4 of BC. So what about the BD? BD will be equal to, then you can say BD is equal to BC minus CD. So BC minus CD is already given 1/4 BC. So this is your 3/4 BC. Because later on we needs BD and DC is there only. Now keep your eyes here. You need AD square. So AD square you can get in case if you are going to take in triangle AMD. So just take in triangle AMD. So by the Pythagoras, AD square is equal to AM square plus MD square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. See, this is AD square is equal to, you can keep AM square as it is plus, but this MD can be written as BD minus BM. This is BD minus BM whole square. Because this MD can be written as, because MD is equal to BD minus BM. From the BD you will subtract BM you will get the MD is there. So this can be written as AD square is equal to AM square plus A minus B whole square. We are going to apply minus 2 into BD into BM. See now, but in place of this AM square, in place of this BD, this in place of AM square plus BM square, this one, in place of AM square plus BM square. You can write down AB square. You can write down together first AM square plus BM square plus BD minus 2 BD into BM. So in place of this AM square plus BM square, you can write down but AM square plus BM square. AM square plus BM square, because this is right angle triangle, that will be equal to AB square. So in place of this AM square plus BM square, we can write down AB square. So now look at here. I am going to rub this one. See. So you will get here only. This is your AD square is equal to, this is AM square plus BM square, you can write on AB square plus BD square minus 2 BD into BN. But you want the answer in AD and CD is there. So AD is already coming, but you have to change this AB, BD, BM in terms of CD is there only. But this AB, keep as it is. AB square plus BD. BD you can write down from here only. That is equal to 3 by 4 BC whole square minus, this is 2 into BD is 3 by 4 BC into BM. BM is also equal to 1 by 2 BC. So here you will get AD square is equal to AB square plus 9 over 16 BC square minus, here is 2 and 2 cancel, so this is 3 by 4 BC square. Have a look. So here is AD square equal to AB square plus this one. You can put 1 is here and you can take the LCM. So LCM will come 16. So 16A square plus 9BC minus 4 is 12. 16, 4 3 is 12 BC square. So you will get this is. But you know BC is equal to AB is already given because ABC is an equilateral triangle. So you can write down in place of this AB is BC. So 16 BC square minus 3 BC, you are getting 13 BC square over 16. So from here, finally you are getting AD square is equal to 13 over 16 BC square. What we want, AD square is equal to 13 CD square. So this can be written as 13 and this BC square by 4, BC square by 16 can be written as 1 by 4 BC whole square, and 1 by 4 BC is equal to CD is already given. So here is, this can be written as AD square is equal to, this is what, 13 and this is CD whole square. So therefore AD square is equal to 13 CD square, which you want to prove. Have a look.